Hello, Palm Sunday, folks. Um, this is a mess in progress. This is my grandson's room that needs work done, as if you can't tell. He asked me, why does this get on my nerves? And I said, Jacob, why does things stress you out? Because him with autism, he allows things to get on his nerves and stress him. He said, they just do. And I said, a messy room stresses me out. So he wanted me to film this. Well, actually, he wanted me to do a cleanup vlog. But this would take too long. So what we're going to do is a before and after. I have to walk through here very carefully so I don't fall. Oh, we got to say hello to Big Al. A preacher asked me one time, he said, do I watch football games? And I said, no, I never have. He said, well, you must not have been born in the South. I said, well, I was born in Florida. He said, that explains it all. And I said, listen, when people ask me who I'm for, Alabama or Auburn, I say I'm for both because they're both from the state of Alabama. I don't want to be for one or the other. But anyway, he's got a bigger closet than I do. I may switch rooms with him. Yeah, he's got a bigger closet than I do. So, anyway, when I say switch rooms with him, I mean take his bedroom. I don't know. I probably wouldn't have enough regular room in here. But then again, I could leave my deep freeze in the room. I don't know. I'll have to wait and see. I get all these ideas. But anyway, we're going to get this cleaned up. And then I talked to our landlady and asked her if we could paint. And she wasn't for it. And I said, well, let me just make a deal. I said, how about us painting a sample behind the washer and dryer or in the bathroom? If you don't like it, we could redo it and we won't paint the rest. And she says, okay, that'll work. So we're going to have to get some men, strong men, to come and move this washer and dryer out because these suckers are heavy. And with my back like it is, I ain't about to. I'm not about to try it. I stay in enough pain. Okay. Now tomorrow, I think we're going to work in here. See, my room is bigger, but my closet is so big and small. I think. It doesn't have any light in it whatsoever. So, I bought me a pop light from Lowe's. Well, actually, bought it for my son and daughter-in-law. And I totally forgot about it till I saw it a year later. And I decided to use it. So, anyway, I got to get in there and organize that closet. Oops, got to turn my light out. So anyway, I got to turn that music off. I like to watch a lot of DIY programs.
This is another Christmas one. You're going to need some of those wooden
And
boxes along with 5 crates. So I pulled the little center.
I just like to watch a lot of YouTube. I do not subscribe to any pay TVs. I like to watch YouTube. That's my main deal. I try not to watch the news because it's too depressing. So, anyway, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. So, just keep smiling. And maybe things will be cleaned up tomorrow. I have high hopes. God bless you. Bye-bye.